What's kicking, y'all? Kwikpanik here, and I'm backing you. Don't you have no fear. Today's episode's gonna be very spooky. That's because it's Halloween, the best day of the year. It's pretty good. You get candy. There's 50-cent corn dogs at Sonic, and some ghost-type Pokemon boxes we're gonna go through. I have another one of the Pale Moon GX boxes, as well as the Alolan Marowak GX box. I know we've opened both of these, but I wanted to do something kind of, I don't know, something kind of Halloween-y? Yeah, so why not ghost-type Pokemon? I was streaming the other day on twitch.tv/Kwikpanik. Links in the description. Follow me, please. And we were shiny hunting. That's what I like to do. I like to shiny hunt. So basically, we run into Pokemon until one is an alternate color. And one of the coolest Pokemon on my shiny hunting team is this boy, Alolan Marowak. And I was talking to the chat about how I'm going to be so incredibly sad once we lose him to the Galar Dex, because there's no national Dex, blah, blah, blah. It's going to be the Galar region. I'm going to pull this card out so you guys can check it out. And I was just like, you know what? I don't have a good copy of this card because last time we opened this box, I damaged the heckles out of it on accident because of the little tab thing. So there's a Alolan Marowak GX. I wanted to have something to remember him by, so I'm hoping to get this graded. I don't think I fudged the edge of this one. It's kind of fudged. I'm just going to have to settle for a binder copy. I don't know why. I feel like I did that one really well. But he's a really cool-looking card. I still have my massive version of him. Here's a code card for the box. Hope you enjoy that. Pull something good for me, because another reason I wanted to do this, or these two sets, rather, is because both of these had really lackluster openings. I got the Alolan Marowak GX box, pulled booty out of it, and my Pale Moon one was also booty. So I'd like to get something good. So this one has some older packs, but I still don't have all the cards that I want from Team Up. There's still the Venusaur with Celebi Hyper that I'd like to get. So we have two of those packs. Then we have Forbidden Light, which I've opened up a bunch of in my history, and then some Breakthrough, which for reasons I have not opened up a whole bunch of. I'm going to see if I can get this out without spoiling it. There's your code card for Breakthrough. 1, 2, 3. There is no energy. Flip it around. Pass it around. We got Dedenne. Not the good one. Just right. Oh, there's Pancham. Look at Chespin. He's so happy. Then we got ourselves a Prinplup reporting for duty. We got a Haunter. That's interesting art. We got ourselves a Baby Ralts and a Skiddo. I love Skiddo. I forgot he existed. And seeing cards like this makes me love my Pokemon so much more. Mischievous, check her out. We got a Swablu. Ah, it's so cuddly. We got a Flabebe, the reverse. Ooh! That's my favorite of the legendary dogs. I love Raikou. Very cool that we got a hyper rare. And the rare is Simipour. I'm sorry, Simipour. But that's a Simipour pull. Ha! Get it? No? Alright. You'll get it later. Alright, let's get into Forbidden Light. I haven't opened Forbidden Light since I opened my box, I don't think. Well, obviously, since I opened this box, huh? There is your code card. I don't know if there's anything from Forbidden Light that I didn't pull that I want. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's Fairy! I'm very certain that this box is going to have an excellent pull. Excellent? Excellent. We got Crasher Wake. We got a Doublade. Okay, I can't pull these art. We got a Judge. We got Execute. We got a Scatterbug. Look at that bloke. We got ourselves our own Edge. And an Aleoptile. We got Skiddo. I love him. The reverse is Litleo, and the rare. Oh, we got an Aurorus. How you doing? That's another Pokemon I kind of forgot existed because it's just not viable competitively. And then it's not cool enough to get its own GX or EX. Alright, we got Team Up. There's lots of things in this pack that I didn't get. I opened a full box on the channel. And didn't quite get everything I needed. Is this... Look at that. See, it's different between packs. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's grass. It's a grass energy. If you don't say grass, if you say leaf, I need you to leave me alone. Ha! Get it? Sorry, that joke was planted. Charmeleon. We got a Morgan. Fluffy. We got ourselves an Emolga. Looks powerful. We got a Mareep. A Vulpix. Ken Sugimori. We got a Joltik. We got a Blitzel. The reverse is Dana. And the rare. Oh, we got Yveltal. Okay. All right. There's lots of XY cards being pulled here. It's really cool art. I'm sorry that It wasn't as good as this pack, which is definitely going to have something amazing. I can feel it.
I can feel it in my bones, Mr. Krabs.
Okay. So, I think, code card, yes. Didn't spoil it. Nailed it. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's psychic. Definitely not poison. Heckin' not ghost. Well, today's Halloween. It's ghost. It can be ghost today. We got Rapidash. We got an Evelyn. We got Nanu. We got a Helioptile. Maggie. We got a Vulpix. We got a Pancham.
Squirtle.
We got ourselves a reverse Tentacool. Cruel. And the rare. Alolan Golem. What is up with this box and not having good pulls? That's okay. We're just saving it for the Pale Moon one, which has the cooler packs in it anyway. Alright, let's get into this. This was a very cool pack for me. You've probably already watched, if you're watching this one, you've probably already watched the other opening, but I was excited to get this because Dusknoir and Trevenant get their own tag team GX, and I love Trevenant. I'm hoping Phantump, I don't know, is Phantump in Sword and Shield? Is it confirmed? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section, Pokemon fans. Let's take this out. And why do they do this? There's your code card. Why do they do this? Where they put the freaking tabs on it and destroy my card. Pull it out. We can do it. We can do it. Send prayers, comment section. Ugh, there we go. Did you get bodied? The other one came out perfect, so I could have one in the binder and I would not be mad. Look how blurry that is. Wonderful. See, this one didn't get borked, but both my Marowaks got borked. That's Marowak. Mic drop. Okay, we got 4 more packs. We got another big one. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with all these big cards that I have now. Maybe I'll grade one just to say I have, because I think this is my favorite giant card that I have. Okay, 4 packs, Lost Thunder, Steam Siege, and then 2 Unified Minds. I would love to get an Umbreon Darkrai. Love. Okay, so this one, what's up with all the Joltik? Flip it around. No! There's your code card. Don't look! I spoiled it. 1, 2, 3. There's no heckin' energy because it's XY. Ooh, is that Braviary? How you doing, boy? We got ourselves Armor Fossil Shieldon, a Nuzleaf, Joltik. We got ourselves Fungus. Look how cute. We got ourselves a Bergmite, Mareep, Clink. The reverse is a Volcanion, and the rare. Woo! What? Hold on. Wait. You, sir. What? We got ourselves a Volcanion EX. He's half water, half fire. Cool. I don't know how that works, but he looks really cool. I don't have one, so that's definitely taking his spot in the Pokedex. I have a living Pokedex. I don't know if I've talked about that recently, but I have a living Pokedex of cards, and I'm trying to get a card of each Pokemon character. Yeah, did it correctly. There's your code card. Hope you enjoy that. What is this? Lost Thunder? 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. This pack's gonna be fire! That means it's gonna be full art something. I can feel it in my cute bones. We got a Pinsir. He looks very sad. He looks like he just lost a battle against a Metapod. That's rough. Only Gen 1ers would understand. Choice Helmet. I skipped a card. We got Morty. Hey, Morty, you think we're gonna get any cool ghost Pokemon? Yeah, man, we're gonna get some great ghost Pokemon. Just you watch. We got an Onix. We got our Marlol. We got Mareep. Ludwig. We got ourselves a Chica. The reverse is a Marini. And the rare is a Dialga. Okay, alright. We're getting a lot of, pulls. We haven't gotten anything that I'm like, oh my gosh! It's all just been like, oh, that's pretty. Let's go Garchomp first. Is Kwikpanik losing his mind? Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. Alright, next exciting episode of Dragon Ball Z, Kwikpanik opens this pack without the use of an adult. Because he has teeth. Alright. Pack trash goes here. Code card goes here. I guessed correctly. There's your code. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's water, not ice. Alright, we got Noctowl. We got a Tranquil. Electric. You like that? Eel? He's an eel, and he's electric. Not lightning. Weird, huh? Lightning type. He's not lightning type. Stop. Druddigon. We got a Cottonee. Fomantis. We got a Seawaddle. We got a Marini. Our reverse is a Hello. Excuse me? What? Hello? And the rare. Are we serious right now? Okay, we got one more pack. I'm at the risk of sounding campy. I need some last pack magic. So, comment section. Do it now. I'll wait. Ha! Can't copy strike me because I don't make money on these. Last pack. What is wrong with me? Do I have too much energy? Ooh, look at little Drillbur. Here is your code card. 1, 2, 3. Flip over the energy. It's dark. Like my soul. Because it's Halloween. Not because of other things. Before we get in this back, I'd just like to say thank you so much for all of your support. You guys have been killing it with the likes. So leaving likes on the video lets me know that I'm doing a good job. And makes me very happy. So you should do it. You should definitely subscribe to the channel if you have not already. I bring Pokemon and Funko Pop content and whatever the heck I want to do because it's my channel and I can cry if I want to. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and Twitch channel. I already said the first one. I'm streaming whenever I can. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Description. Go. All right. Ear ringing bell. Okay, I can't pull that out. Blaine's quiz show. We got a Rangaroo, a Drillbur. We got a Slakoth. Got ourselves another Fungus. We got a Hone Edge, Magnemite, the reverse. Soot is Litwick. All right. And the rare. Soot! How's that for spooky?